Sebastian, let's read corduroy.
Bin-naqra tan-naqriet. Nirbhu s-Saltna, tas-Smewwiet.
Corduroy. Corduroy is a bear who once lived in a toy department of a big store. Day after day, he waited with all of the other animals and dolls for somebody to come along and to take him home. Oh, look, they're sitting so nicely, waiting for someone to come and buy them. The store was always filled with shoppers buying all sorts of things, but no one ever seemed to want a small bear in green overalls. Would you want to buy him? No? Why not?
Because he's so not new.
Then one morning, a little girl stopped and looked straight into Corduroy's bright eyes. "Oh, Mommy," she said, "look, there's the very bear I've always wanted." Oh boy, she's excited. Do you think Mommy's gonna buy the bear?
No.
No, because mommies they can't always get things for their kids when they're at the store, can they?